So I'm going to demonstrate how to sync with your Ford Fiesta radio. Actually, not Ford Fiesta only, but let's say Ford. So you press your menu, you go to your settings, sync settings, then you press OK. You make sure that your Bluetooth is on. Mine's already on, so you click on the BT devices, then you click OK. You'll see different types of devices that were previously connected. Then you'll get options to add and to delete those devices. Then you press the last button to add. Then you go on to your device. You this is too bright. Okay. Press Bluetooth. Available devices, it will appear on your phone. Then you press on the sync. It's pairing. You hear that voice. Then you press yes. Waiting for phone confirmation.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
This message will appear on your phone. Then you say allow. That's for calls when you're on call. Yes. Then you can set your phone as the favorite one. If I say that correctly, then you set yes. Download phone book. No, for me it's a no, but it depends. Then you press no. Then you go. You press aux. Then obviously that or then you can play your songs. Then that's it.